Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So in this video, if you've talked and thought about being a vendor for various places that can make you a lot of money, this particular place that I'm going to describe in a minute, I was personally a vendor, made hundreds of thousands of dollars, had a team that worked there as a day porter, and there are so many locations, it's crazy. So you're ready for who that vendor is? Here we go. Office Depot, Office Max. Now, I did it and I loved it. I cleaned the warehouse. My team and I cleaned the warehouse. We actually did floors. They have a lot of floors in their retail and their warehouses where they actually stock the merchandise. Now, they have since merged with Office Max, but it is even better now because there's more retail spaces and warehouses. Big money. Several reasons why. Number one, because you can use a team. A lot of us know, I hear it all the time, it's hard to find someone to work because no one wants to work if they only get a couple of hours. Well, this solves all of that. Number two, they need you. It's not like one of those pretty little offices where anyone can do it. No, you don't need any special equipment unless you want to do the floors or the carpets, and I did the windows. But no worries, like I always say, if you can't do it, you can always hire a subcontractor to work with you. So don't let that stop you from moving ahead. The warehouse is large. They pay on time, which is one of the pros. You can build a team, which is one of the pros, because it's hard to find workers if you're only giving them a couple of hours, like I said earlier. I love it because they sign annual contracts with you if you do it right, if you pay attention, and it's all about how you craft the contract, if they feel you're valuable. But I loved working at Office Depot. I ended up getting several of the Office Depots in the Florida area. They are headquartered in Boca Raton. So in this video, I talk about ways to make money in vendors. This is one of the ones, like I said, most of the ones I've given you, if not all, I personally worked as a vendor or I had a subcontractor work, but we still owned the contract. Kept close tabs on that one. It's really lucrative, a great place to start, no matter if you just want to clean the restrooms, and it is really valuable because your business can grow to one of my favorite things, which is 6 figures and beyond. Wow! This contract can really set you on the path for doing that. So in the description, I'm going to give you exactly what you need to do in order to land one of those lucrative vendor spots for working with Office Depot, Office Max. So make sure you look in the description and make sure that you follow the instructions and do everything possible to make sure that happens. Now, something else you can do is if you want to be on the fast track on how to really get business and scale, then guess what you can do? For my absolutely new free workshop, it's called 6 Figure Fast Track. It is a workshop where you implement what you learn. And I go over so many things from becoming a vendor to how to get business, how to acquire contracts, and how to retain it. The 3 pillars that I really place my businesses on, not just cleaning, but I've done other industries and it has worked for me time and time again. So if you're really interested in getting to that point where you're making 6 figures, 7 figures, it's absolutely possible to do that. So make sure that you join me for this 6 Figure Fast Track workshop where I'm going to teach you so much more. Space is limited, so make sure you sign up today. And don't forget to follow that link in the description on the workshop and on exactly what you need to do to become a vendor for Office Depot. Until next time, until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.